I'm at the Nestlé NANGROW factory in Samalkha, Panipat. It looks massive! This is the most extreme makeover that I've had. I mean, it's a personalized factory uniform, change of shoes.
Yeah.
No jewelry.
So metal jewelry, it holds a lot of dust, bacteria, and runs a risk of contamination. And in food production, there's absolutely no room for error, just like in operation theatre.
My God, it is super strict.
This factory is divided into 3 hygiene zones: basic, medium, and high. And as you move from one hygiene zone to the other, protocols for hygiene keep getting stricter and stricter as we go deeper and deeper into the factory.
Wow. And I'm amazed that this place looks squeaky clean.
Let's head to the red hygiene zone.
What is that?
Now, that's air shower. On the press of that button, for 30 seconds, multiple high velocity air jets will hit you from all directions and make sure you lose contaminants, dust particles, and anything that can possibly cling on to your.
I'm sending signed NANGROW packs to mums across India who will share their honest reactions. This is the NANGROW Transparency Tour, so you can see exactly what goes into every pack and feel confident about what goes into your child's glass of milk.